Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Focus engine mount. First, gather your essential tools, including a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, and a complete set of wrenches. Next, ensure your vehicle is safely elevated and securely supported on those jack stands. This is crucial for your safety. Finally, for electrical safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before proceeding with any work. This prevents accidental shorts. Now, let's remove the old mount. Begin by carefully supporting the engine from underneath with a floor jack and a protective wood block. This prevents the engine from dropping. Next, locate the bolts securing the engine mount to the chassis and carefully unbolt them. There are typically 2 or 3 main bolts. Once unbolted, gently maneuver and remove the old, worn engine mount from its position. It might require a little wiggling. With the old mount out, it's time for the new one. Carefully position the new engine mount into its correct location, ensuring proper alignment with the bolt holes. Start by hand-tightening all the mounting bolts to ensure they thread correctly and prevent cross-threading. Once all bolts are hand-tight, use a torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specified torque, which is often around 60 to 70 foot-pounds. This ensures secure fastening. You're almost done? First, carefully reconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. Next, lower the vehicle from the jack stands. Start the engine and let it idle, listening carefully for any unusual vibrations or noises. If everything sounds good, take your Ford Focus for a short test drive. Pay attention to how the engine feels and ensure there are no excessive vibrations or clunking sounds. Enjoy your smoother ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.